Okay, albaicin. My tester ready. Okay, peak to peak is the selector. Come on to see. For the clever people, I selected peak to peak. Enter. Peak to peak. Okay. Enter. Come on there. Okay. And come on there. Ground TP0. Come on to TP2. TP2 is the read signal. In this moment all the cables connected, okay? Read signal. Come on there. I'm sorry, but I will need, this is crazy. TP2. Come on there with my oscilloscope, not easy physically. In view of this, TP2. I stop 1 second here. TP2 I will connect now. The flashlight, I need both hands in normal condition. TP2 is in the upper part. Okay. TP2 physically next to the red small coax. Okay. TP2 on the ground. We can see here TP2. Okay. We see the picture and we see the voltage. I did last time 0.6 volts. This is the red. Okay. TP2. The red. We know the oscilloscope in here in this position with a lot of, just in case the cable here. If I move the cable, still always 0.6. Come on to move. Okay. We can see if I move the 2 microseconds for division. Okay. We can see, but still always 0.6 practically. I can provoke a little more of normal, but always below 0.9. Always. Practically always. Come on to put TP4, which is the green. Okay? Extract TP2. Come on below. TP4. TP4. I will need again both hands. I'm sorry, but come on there. I stop again. I stop, okay, because this is my hand. Come on to get the flashlight. TP4 is below. Vamos. TP4. TP2 next to the red. Okay. TP4 next to the green. If I can. Okay, TP4. TP4. Here we have. This alarm is the tamper, okay, only this. TP4, 0.7 in this moment. Peak to peak. Okay, we have 1 volt for division. Come on to move. Noise, noise, noise. We are moving the frequency, as we can see. Okay, 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 this is nice. 20 years before. When I started over here. Okay, come on, continuous. Very nice, very nice, very nice. This is this for the noise, but if we see the picture, okay, come on to move more frequency and more frequency and more frequency and more frequency. This is elemental for the electronic. We know one thing is the pulse, another thing is the interference, but the pulse, come on down, come on down. Okay, we can see. Okay. I want to move. Here we follow. Okay, we can see now. I want to move the frequency to be nice. I hope you're recording this movie because the movie looks like me. We have here the video pulse, more or less nice to see. Okay, okay, no more explanation required, no? Of course the book is theoretically, we know we have radar picture. Anyway, TP for green, come on to the TP6. Come on to the TP6. which is the blue. Now it's connected the blue also. TP6 is here next to the blue. Come on there. TP6. You see red. Here red. This black is my oscilloscope. Okay, in the ground, in the zero. This is the green. We see. Here green. Now TP4. Come on to the TP6. Is there next to the blue. Come on to the TP6. If I can with one hand only. Sorry, dangerous. I stop again my mobile. Won't stop now. I keep here and come on to the TP6 with both hands. There's so many things there. TP6. Come on. TP6. Here is TP6. Exactly same like the TP4 and TP2. TP6. Okay. Come on to move frequency. I want to put. There we have all the video pictures or the video pulses. Okay. We know this is elemental electronic. No, when we have more is because we can see the peak. Really, it's not exactly video peak. It's the portadora, no, the pulse. Okay, come on. If we see the video and we see 1 volt division. Huh? But now, you see, I move the voltage to see. You see? You see? The signal is 0.6 more or less. Come on to the composite. Of course, composite will be higher, always is higher. Composite is the TP8. TP8. Come on to see, because the TP6 was a little difficult, the TP8 is judging the floor, and physically this VDR is not nice because the installation is next to the interface, no media space. TP8 and here, okay, by the hand. TP8. There we have. TP8 is the composite signal. TP8. Okay. And here we have. I'm going to move the frequency, but this was good really. Come on. We know this is one composite video standard, eh? This is the real story. Here we have. I'm going to put the voltage. 1 volt division. Here. Very nice, very nice. Okay, I am moving the frequency to see the more noise. Here is not. And here we have. Okay. This is the composite, of course. So we see all the possibilities to check. Okay. Standard. Composite signal. I get. So come on to put the frequency. Bueno, finish. So below 0.9 all the videos, but we know the video is good. The book advises the video interface when below 0.9 volts. The input of the chrominance, no, the red, blue, green. Finish this recording advising, but we know VDR is good except the tamper now because I have opened it, of course, tamper. Battery, we can see this label, battery VDR October 2012. This is not true. I have one paper who says that expired in 2014, so I will change this label because battery was supplied in 2011, so not logical to have October 2013. So this is bad. This is no date for installation, this is no date for expired date. I will put the correct label. Now I have the evidence documented. Finish, and I will advise to manufacturer. I think the radar will be good with another picture, but without the blue, we will see. I cannot have this decision. Finish.